we'll guide you through how to manage Todoist teams efficiently. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and head over to the Todoist website. Log in with your account credentials if you're not already signed in. Once you're on your dashboard, click on the Teams tab located on the left side menu. This will take you to your team's overview page. Here, you can see all the existing teams you're part of. To create a new team, click on the Add Team button, which is typically found at the top right corner of the team's page. Enter a team name and description that clearly defines the purpose of the team. Then click Create. Now, to manage members within your team, click on the team name to open the team details. You'll see an option labeled Members. Click on this to view all current members. To invite new members, click on Invite Members and enter their email addresses. You can also assign roles like admin or member to define different permissions. If you need to remove a member, simply click the three-dot menu next to their name and select Remove from Team. For project management within your team, navigate to the Projects section under the Team settings. Here, you can create new projects by clicking Add Project. Assign tasks by clicking into a project and using the Add Task button. You can assign tasks to specific team members by clicking on the Assign option next to each task. This helps in distributing workload effectively. Remember, communication is key, so use the comment feature on tasks to discuss specifics or provide updates. To adjust team settings, click on the gear icon next to the team name. Here, you can update team information, or even delete the team if needed. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.